Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix a phone. So if you see on Instagram no internet connection, so how you can also fix it. So first thing you can try to turn off, close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the service, so just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, so just open Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you can try to open Salad Data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, try to power off, wait a second, and just power the phone again, so just simple restart phone. And the latest option you can try also to update our Instagram app, so just go to App Store, just go to search tab and search tab, just search here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, hit like, and goodbye.